In order to buy Apple stock on Robinhood, make sure that you have created a Robinhood account already and that you install the application. Now, if you haven't made your account, then you will need to do so. And thankfully, they walk you through the entire process and it is relatively easy. However, it is going to ask you to prove your identity, which you will need a ID in order to do that. Now, you could use something like a passport, a driver's license, a state ID, etc. The point is, you want to make sure that you have a valid form of ID ready to go whenever you create your Robinhood account. Also, you will need to link your bank account as well, which we're going to be using in order to source funds in order to purchase Apple stock. Anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on the search bar just like so. Then you want to go ahead and look up Apple right over here. So it should be relatively easy to find. Yep, here is Apple. Then what you guys can do is you can go ahead and look at the chart and stuff like that. So that is up to you. Then go ahead and press on trade. Then go ahead and press on buy right over here. Now, you guys can actually purchase this stock in terms of dollars. So let's say you wanted to buy $10 worth of Apple stock. You would need to go ahead and just enter in 10 and then you're good to go. However, you could also purchase using shares. So you can buy in Apple shares. So let's say you wanted to buy 0.5% of a share. You would go ahead and enter that in here, and then it is going to let you know how much it costs in terms of American dollars. So it is 100% up to you. So let's say one share that costs 260 bucks. And if we were to go ahead and put 0.5, it would cost 130. So again, keep that in mind. And then from there, all you need to do is you need to press on review, and then it is going to allow you to purchase it. Obviously, make sure that your debit card actually does have sufficient money. Otherwise, this process is not going to work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.